Can we heat water without any energy? There are some areas where gas, electricity, or any energy is not available. Water problems are more common in these areas in summer and winter. Keeping these problems in mind, we tried to come up with a solution in which you might be able to reduce your problems. So in this video, we will show you how can you heat water without any energy. Stay with us in video. The temperature of groundwater is relatively constant throughout the year. What you experience is your perception as the atmospheric temperature varies a lot. Example, the temperature of groundwater in a region over year is between 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. In summers, when it is 35 degrees, groundwater seems cool, while in winters, when outside temperature is 15 degrees, groundwater feels warm. the video, you can see that the temperature of the water is 15 degrees Celsius, and when we put the box under the ground and fill water in it and left it for a long time. After that, you can see that the temperature of the water has reached 18 degrees Celsius, and 18 degrees Celsius water feels hot compared to cold. And through this method, you can get 18 degrees Celsius water from it even in summer. 18 degrees Celsius water is cold in summer,